my channel on Let's Make India Healthy. My goal is to inspire 1 million people across the country to make a change in their lives, to make a change in the way you think about exercise and diet, and reprogram and rewire your mind and help yourself, and in turn not only help yourself but also to help your family members and your friends to make a change. And that way, that ripple effect is actually going to help our country to get fit and get healthy. Hi, my name is Dinaz, and I've been in the health and fitness industry since 1993. So as of today, as you watch this video, it's almost 27 years I've been in this fitness industry. And I'm really, really super excited and proud to be sitting in conversation with one of my clients who has actually made changes and got some amazing results. So we have, please welcome Shimi Sushmita on the call. And I'd like Sushmita, welcome to this call. And I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making a change in your own life, not only a change in your life, but for also helping me contribute to help other people in our country to get fit and healthy. So please tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do, Sushmita?
I work in a software company as a facilities and admin manager.
And how did you first come to know about me, about Dinaz Fitness?
I know about you on the Facebook, and then I enrolled myself for the program.
When was that? First time?
First time, it was in the month of March last year, that is 2019. I've come for your live talk. And then after that, I've enrolled myself end of March for the program.
So from the time we met, you took 3 months?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me a little bit more about what was your life like with health and fitness before you met me?
Okay, before I met you, my major problem was obesity. My confidence levels were very much low. I always was very sympathetic about myself, feeling pity about myself. That was the condition I was in. So I wanted to make a change in my life. That is where I joined your program.
What prompted you to say yes to my coaching program versus so much more available outside?
So it was my dream to meet you. I've actually done my physiotherapy. So when I was doing my physiotherapy, you were a celebrity then. You were into the fitness industry, and we used to hear a lot about you, read a lot about you. So being a physiotherapist, it was my dream to meet you. It couldn't happen. But one fine day I met you. So that is when, with your talk, I've realized that I have to make a change in my life, and I started the journey with you.
Which city are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Superb, superb. Now you started this journey. Prior to that, were you exercising? You said that you were a physiotherapist, so would you exercise?
Yes, on and off, whenever time permitted, I would get on to different fad diets and then exercise, go for walking, and then stop it. Again, go back to exercise and then stop. So this was not consistent in my life. So there were regular
in that period, would you get the results? Would you lose weight and gain weight? Was it a yo-yo thing, or you never got any results?
It was a yo-yo thing. I used to reduce weight when I started walking and setting my life. But then whenever I bounced back, my weight also bounced back.
So you were not consistent with your journey?
Yes.
So what was that first thing what was the main reason that prompted you to join the coaching program? I wouldn't call it a weight loss program. What was the first thing that prompted you? What was the real reason? What was your inner why? Why did you want to do this?
My inner why was to be healthy and stay fit. It was not exactly lose weight, but I wanted to make myself healthy and then be fit.
Why did you want to become healthy? So were you unhealthy?
Yes, my thyroid levels went up. I was hypertensive, diagnosed hypertensive, and then my cholesterol levels also went up. So that is where the scare of my life started. All the fears came into my life. So I thought this is high time I start taking care about my health.
So when you joined the program in March last year, what was different about this program versus anything else that you ever done before? What was that one thing that made you What was that one thing that got you the results?
One thing which got the results is the mind programming. And in our training program, you said you should believe in yourself. Okay, whatever comes within you. It starts within you. So the mind programming helped me a lot to stay on this program.
So last year when you joined, so did you feel last year when you joined, did you feel that you needed to control your diet and then you're being tortured? Did you feel that I tortured you?
No.
Because a lot of people have to go through torture is what they believe.
No way. The second best thing in your program is no diets. You can eat whatever you're culturally accustomed to. So that was the best thing.
That helped you?
Yes. Because I don't have to do anything extra for my health.
What was your family support?
Family support, my family was very supportive in this journey.
Last year also?
Yes, yes, all true.
So when you met me in March, when you started the program in March, did you lose any weight?
Yes, ma'am. In that 90 days program, I've lost around 10 kgs of weight.
How did you feel? How did you feel when you lost that weight?
It was awesome. I've got back my confidence. I've got back my energy levels. And then it felt really very good.
You know, people are under this impression. You also mentioned to me that you have thyroid.
Yes.
And people are constantly calling me up and saying that we have thyroid and I'm not going to be able to lose weight. So how did you manage that?
That even I thought that thing, because having thyroid, it is a metabolic disorder. Since it is a metabolic disorder, I always felt that my metabolism was very less. But then your mind programming helped me. So every time, whenever I exercised before your program, I used to feel fatigue and tired. But then after coming into your program, I started programming my mind. And then whenever I get into an exercise, I don't feel that tiredness or that fatigue. So definitely, in my mind, now I tell my metabolic rate is good.
Fantastic. Oh, you tell that.
Yeah.
And that makes a difference.
Yes, yes,
so
definitely.
Have you busted the myth for yourself that even though you have thyroid, you can still lose weight?
Yes.
Now you believe in it?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it safe for us to tell our viewers that, hey guys, even if you have thyroid, it's okay, you'll still get those results?
Yes, we can.
Awesome. So you got some amazing results. I remember from last year, you lost some 10 kgs in 90 days. As you just mentioned that, in 90 days. What happened after that?
So after that, it was nice. So April, May, June, and then July also was good. And after that, slowly, I had a little bit stress in my work, and then few other emotional problems. And then that is where, again, I stopped doing the exercise, came back to my original diet. And the saddest thing, when I went on to the scales, I bounced back by 13 kgs. All the 10 kgs which I lost in those 90 days came back again to me, and even more. But in December, I was like just thinking, what am I doing with myself? Where am I going? And that is when I came across your write-up in Facebook, Weight Loss Extreme, where you talk about your fire accident and then how you came back in spite of all your difficulties and all your challenges which you had with your health and the accident and your financial problems also. That is where I said to myself, hey, come on, this is not the way I live. This is not me. Actually, this is not me. My life was very different before I got married. So your story inspired me to go back to my roots. And that is where I started my journey again. In the month of January, I started exercising, started my mind programming again. And you don't believe, 4 months down the lane, I've lost my 10 kgs again.
Wow, isn't that amazing?
And in the month of February, we had the Lent season where we had to fast for 45 days. In that period, I didn't do any exercise, but still lost weight.
Yeah, and you still lost weight?
Yes.
So really and truly, I'm understanding that all that I have been talking about, that diets don't play a major role.
Yes.
It's really working.
Yes. And in your program, the two things which helped me were the topic where you talked about mental starvation and dysfunctional beliefs. These are the two important key points which help me to bounce back into my routine with the exercises, my portion control, and mind programming again.
So, if I may ask you, you've been in this hub of ours, this community of ours, and you've been a long person. You've been with me for a very long time. Okay. What kind of support do you think you've got from the community and from me as your coach? Have I always been there for you whenever
Yes.
you wanted me?
Yes.
Irrespective of anything.
Yes. The best thing in the program again is dinners. So as any other coaching programs which we have, say like, I don't want to name them, but we have many others. Unlike those, you were there for us at every point, wherever and whenever we needed, you were there. So anything, whichever we posted in the WhatsApp group or called you, it was me who called you almost twice or thrice with my problems. And you were always there for us to help us and to guide us.
What about the community? Do you feel that the community is supportive, or you feel the community is more competitive and jealous of each other?
No, ma'am. It is very supportive, and there is a healthy competition among us.
Yeah, that's what I like.
We support each other. We encourage each other. The hub which we are running now, we have amazing people there. They call us. They post text messages inquiring about how we are doing and what we are doing, and that gives us a lot of motivation to move forward.
So, since you know that I'm on this mission to, transform 1 million lives in our country.
Yes.
And I know that I cannot do it alone. I know that I've always talked about the ripple effect. Guys, make a change in your life and make a change in somebody else's life. So have you, Sushmita, been able to create that ripple effect where you made a change and somebody else in your family, maybe your husband, maybe your son, somebody else, maybe your parent, somebody has been inspired with your journey and made that little change to go to that next level with health and fitness in their own lives?
Yes, ma'am. As you always say, buy one, get four free. So that is happening in our family. I've started, after this lockdown especially, the extra interest and the extra responsibility you have taken of motivating us with your daily mobility drills, the aerobics, and all these things, that helped me a lot, encouraged me a lot. Not only me, now my whole family does these exercises. They go to the YouTube, search for Dirazes, and then start doing the exercise. So my husband, my children do it. It is like all four of us are on a healthy journey now.
Beautiful, beautiful. So really and truly, I'm looking for that ripple effect, Sushmita. And speaking to you today, I understand that that ripple effect is happening. So I really like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for contributing into that ripple effect that I'm looking for. So guys, get on this journey and make that change in your own lives so that in turn you make a change in someone else's life, and that's how we are going to get on this mission, and let's make India healthy. So once again, thank you so much, Sushmita. You've done amazingly well with the weight loss. It's not a journey, it's not a destination, it's a journey, and you started this journey. And I want, from your experience, that even if you slip down in your journey, this hub will pick you up and keep you within this hub. You'll get that support to be like this in that journey for the rest of your lives. So thank you so much, Sushmita, for being on this call. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you, because it's the ripple effect that's going to help you to get healthy, you to get fit, and in turn, let's make India healthy. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, please do subscribe, and do share this video so that we in turn can make India healthy. Thank you. And
thank you, ma'am.